Do you ever feel guilty about the stack of books you meant to read, but never touched? What if I told you that you could learn the best insights from those books in just 15 minutes a day, and instead of paying every month, you only pay once for lifetime access? That's exactly what Headway does. In this review, I'll walk you through everything. What Headway is, how it works, key features, benefits, my personal experience, and even a few downsides, so you'll know if it's the right fit for you. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also show you how to grab the lifetime deal for just $59. Hey everyone, I'm Shashir. On this channel, I review the best tools for productivity, learning, SaaS, and personal growth. If that's your thing, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a review. All right, let's jump into Headway. Here's a common problem. We all want to read more because we know that reading expands our knowledge, improves our thinking, and gives us new ideas. But life gets in the way. After work, we're tired. We have family responsibilities. Our attention span is under attack with social media. So the result? The books we buy just gather dust. Now imagine, instead of reading for hours, you could absorb the main takeaways of a bestseller in just 15 minutes, during your commute, your coffee break, or even before bed. That's the problem Headway solves. So what exactly is Headway? Headway is a book summary app with a huge library of nonfiction bestsellers across categories like productivity, leadership, psychology, health and wellness, personal finance, and self-improvement. Instead of long books, it gives you bite-sized 15-minute summaries in both text and audio formats. And the best part, it's designed to keep you consistent with learning. Headway currently has over 50 million users worldwide, which is a strong sign it's not just a passing trend. Now let's break down the features one by one. First, text and audio summaries. Every book comes in two formats. Want to read? Great. Want to listen while driving or walking? Also great. Second, personalized recommendations. When you first sign up, Headway asks about your goals, like improve productivity, grow wealth, or get healthier. Then it curates book summaries just for you. Third, daily insights. You also get a motivational widget on your phone that delivers bite-sized wisdom every day. It feels like having a mentor giving you one line of advice in the morning. Fourth, flashcards and spaced repetition. This is powerful. Instead of forgetting what you read, Headway turns key ideas into flashcards that pop up regularly so you actually remember what you learn. Fifth, learning streaks and gamification. You earn badges, track your streaks, and feel rewarded as you keep learning. Honestly, this small feature is what makes you stick with the app longer. And sixth, offline mode. Perfect for travelers. Download your summaries and listen on planes, trains, or anywhere with poor internet. To make this more real, let me give you examples of how different people might use Headway. A busy entrepreneur can listen to the Lean Startup summary on the way to meetings. A student preparing for exams might use Headway to quickly grasp key psychology books. A 9-to-5 employee can spend lunch breaks listening to self-improvement classics like Atomic Habits. Even parents can use it in the evenings to sneak in personal growth while handling family life. Basically, if you're short on time but serious about growth, Headway fits perfectly. Let's talk about the pros first. 1. A one-time payment. $59 for lifetime access. No more subscriptions draining your wallet every year. 2. A huge library of nonfiction bestsellers across every growth area. 3. Dual formats, text and audio, so you can learn the way you prefer. 4. Gamified learning keeps you motivated and consistent. 5. Memory-friendly tools like flashcards and spaced repetition. And 6. A simple, clean app design that even beginners can navigate easily. Now, no tool is perfect. Here are a few limitations you should know. But honestly, none of them are deal breakers. The library, while big, doesn't cover every single book out there, but the most popular and impactful titles are included. Some summaries may feel a bit simplified, but remember, that's the point. It's about speed and efficiency, not depth. It's mostly a mobile-first experience. The desktop version is there, but not as polished. Think of these as trade-offs rather than flaws. The goal isn't to replace full books, but to give you fast, actionable insights you can use immediately. Okay, let's talk money. Normally, apps like this charge monthly or yearly. But here's the good news. Headway is available for just $59 as a lifetime deal. That means pay once, use forever, no hidden costs. And if you try it and feel it's not for you, there's usually a refund guarantee, so the risk is almost zero. So is Headway worth it in 2025? For me, the answer is a big yes. Here's why. It saves you time, it builds habits, and it's affordable compared to other options. If you're serious about learning but short on time, this is a no-brainer investment. I personally love using it during walks, commutes, and even when cooking. Those small, wasted pockets of time suddenly become growth opportunities. Let me also give you some quick tips to maximize Headway. Use the Daily Insights widget. It keeps you motivated. Pick one learning path at a time, like leadership or finance. Don't jump around too much. Use the flashcards feature. This is how you'll remember concepts weeks later. And finally, keep a personal note-taking system. Jot down ideas you want to apply in real life. These small practices will turn Headway from just a reading app into a true growth system. So if you're ready to learn smarter, save time, and grow consistently, grab the $59 lifetime deal before it disappears. You'll find the link below in the description and in the pinned comment. And don't forget to hit like if this review was helpful, subscribe for more tool breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what's the first book you'd like to summarize with Headway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.